Hi, my name is Hans. I'm going to show you how the eye works.
You will need a light bulb, paper cup, toothpick, rubber band, wax paper, and black paint and tape are optional. The image shows up better if you paint the inside of the cup black.
First, I use the wax tape, put it onto the cup. I put a rubber band on it.
Poke a hole in the center of the cup. Try poking both big and small holes. Light enters in the hole in the cup just like the pupil and projects on the wax paper just like the retina. Images are focused upside down on the retina of the eye. The nerves in the retina activate when they see the light, and they come together in the optic nerve to send the upside down image to the brain, and the brain interprets it as right side up.
That's how the eye works.